Test drive the 2013 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.